Hey everybody, it's Michael Smith of Empath Connection. I am so excited today because it's Wednesday, December 1st, and that means the doors of the Empath Sanctuary monthly memberships are open today. And I have a feeling that you've been resonating with our materials, with our work. You're watching this video for a reason because you've watched previous videos and you've been resonating with the Monday messages, or maybe even showed up at one of our free events and had a great time there. That's a sign from your higher self that there's some good stuff waiting for you in the sanctuary, because what we do together is other souls that are aligned and carry the same vibration as you, same soul signature, if you will. When you join the sanctuary, you're going to meet basically other versions of you in other human bodies. It's kind of nifty and cool how the universe arranges that process without it's an orchestration without outside of our conscious control. So all of those things that you've been seeking and asking the universe for, the soul level love relationship, more abundance in your finances, wanting to move more deeply into your dharma, your service and your work in the world, and we are here to amplify all of those dreams, those goals, those visions that you have, that you know it's time. And so the great thing about the sanctuary is it's affordable. It's $99 a month. You get live coaching. I get to work with you personally. Can't wait to do that. We have live monthly play shops. We have meditation retreats every month. And you get our video courses, the Empath Toolkit program, and our new program, the Empath Turbocharge, which is the first that I'm releasing news of that. That's coming in January. You get all of that as a monthly member. So $99 a month, give us a try. It's time to act, for you to act on that inner call, on that inner resonance. And I have a strong feeling that you're going to want to stay as a monthly member. And if not, there's no long-term commitments. So I would encourage you to give us a try now that the doors are open here on Wednesday, December 1st. I can't wait to meet you, to play with you, to explore with you, and to help facilitate your dreams, your goals, and your visions to make all of them a reality. Much love to you. We'll see you in the sanctuary.